I only wanted to highlight women in dentistry. I had a magazine, I'm going to put them in a magazine, I'm going to highlight them. And it has turned into each of them coming into this community and inspiring and empowering each other.
It's been great to connect with these women, collaborate with them, and I'm so glad that I get to go on this journey with them.
For all of the women in our profession, I think it's important that they know they stand on some history and they stand on some shoulders of women who have forged through a jungle and a forest so that they could walk into this in an easier, more accepting way.
There are so many women out there that are paving the way in a society that does not always welcome our confidence, our presence, but I think there's a shift now